Please click here to like this video. Your comments are welcome. Subscribe to get new videos. Hello, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to use some of the draw tools. Okay, so when you come to the draw panel, you have tools like line, polyline, circle, arc, and just some few stuff here, rectangle, ellipse, and then you have the option to also hatch, and then also the rest of them are in the lower panel here. Okay, but let's start with line. How do you draw a line? It's just a very simple thing. Okay, so to create a line segment, this is what you do. Click on the tool line. Now you come to the screen. Click on the first point. Click on the second point anywhere on the screen. Your line is drawn. You press escape and your line is there. Let's draw another vertical one. You click on the line to, but when you click on the line to look at the command window, it says line. You see the line is bolded. It tells you you have activated that command. So it's telling you specify your first point. So I specify here as my first point. Then I come to the command window. Look at it. Specify next point or undo. This is my next point. When I finish, I press enter and then it's done. So it's either escape to move out of the command or enter to move out of the command. So any of these two is great. That is how lines are drawn in Autocad. It is so simple. But let's look at the line that we were drawing. So we pick the command again, line. When you click your first point and you stretch, you see that the line that I have can move. It's a flexible line. It can move up or down to any angle. Check it. It's because these two here are the status called auto is off. In fact, if auto is on, it will restrict the cursor movement to only horizontal and vertical. Okay, so I can't be swinging it in a flexible way. If I turn the auto off like this, my line becomes flexible. Okay, so when you're drawing a perfectly horizontal line, it is always good to keep your auto on. And then when you want to be flexible in drawing any inclined line as you wish, okay, then you just keep it off. So I put it on and I'm only restricted to do strictly horizontal, vertical lines. This is how to just draw lines which are in rough nature. Okay, so now let's look at another side of it. So I click on the line command to activate it. Then I click my first point. Now I want to draw a line with specific distances. So let's say I want maybe 10 millimeters. So I type 10, then I enter. You can see that when I press on escape, the line I have here is 10 exactly. If I click on the line again and click on this point and I come down, let's say I want 6. I type 6 and I enter. And the line that I have drawn here, it breaks at 6 exactly. Then I press 6. So I pick my line again and I type my 10, enter. Then I close it up by typing on my 6 and then enter. So that is how I can draw this simple shaped rectangle that I have here. What I was trying to put across is the fact that you can draw line with distances, okay? Not just draw any line without you having an idea of the length that you are placing, but you can draw the line and type the distance. So I type 10 and it's going to end there exactly at 10 millimeters. Okay, so that's about how lines are drawn. We'll be adding other shapes to it or other tools to it. Okay, so we'll be trying our hands on other commands as we move on. And our next tool we are going to look at is circle. Thank you. Please click here to like this video. Your comments are welcome. Subscribe to get new videos.